Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Look. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, September 19th. So yeah, I'm going out of town for my friend's birthday and I'm going back to Tulum, y'all. If you're new here or haven't watched my last Tulum vlog, make sure you watch that. Long story short, the last time I went to Tulum, I was robbed. Yes, y'all. So I'm going again so soon. It's because it's my very, very close friend's birthday and I just can't miss it, y'all. Like, I can't miss it. And she wanted to go to Tulum and I'm like, okay. So yeah, it's gonna be a group of us. It's kind of like giving like a girl trip. I think it's gonna be a couple girls' birthday actually, so it's just gonna be a big girls trip / birthday celebration. So yeah, I'm kind of in charge of like the sleepover night, which is the first night that we get there, which is tomorrow. I leave tomorrow, y'all, so I'm getting all my stuff done like right before I leave. I already got my wax. I'm not getting my lashes done. I'm not even finna deal with that because I'm gonna end up picking them off. So yeah, I really didn't have to get nothing done but my hair and my nails. Yesterday I got everything taken off and got a pedicure. So like the acrylic I have on my toes, I got them taken off. My nails, I got them taken off. I have on press-ons right now because I had to do something yesterday and my real nails was looking like nubs, so no, so I had to put on some press-ons. So yeah, I'm going to somebody new today for my nails and my toes. I still have to pack, of course. Y'all know I always wait last minute, but I know what I want to bring, you know. Right now I'm actually waiting on the post office to open so I can go take all these packages before I go out of town. Okay, work before play, period. I be wanting to finish anything that I have to do before I go anywhere. Like, I just feel accomplished. So yeah, we're staying for like 4 days, the 20th through the 24th. I'm not trying to stay longer like I did last time, so y'all just pray for me.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got you joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some. I just need some love. Let it fucking with you tonight, baby. I just need that love. Won't you be my love, baby? You could pick it up one day. Get down with a handshake, baby. I'ma leave all that I have. Girls be never say one. Girls be never say now. Girls be never say me. Girls be never say now. Girls be never say one. Girls be never say now. Girls be never say me. Girls be never say now. Oh, now. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming every breathing. I need a reason, baby. I wanna see you can't buy. I can get to you right, baby. I wanna be in your way. I can be real good. Please don't give me a feeling. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Think of how I run through the hood. Hollywood, everything all good in my love. You only guys won't smoke with me. No way. Trust me, it's all okay. Fuck me, it's all. You just need someone who's calm and patient. Something domination. Watch back, you stroke like while we smoke. That's combination. You just need someone. Dealing no complications. You just need someone. You just need someone. Late night attention, unconditioned. All that you're missing in my head. Fucked up, shouldn't even ever just need fire. I get it, I'm on your side. I get it away all the time. Side.
Hey y'all, I'm back home. Look how cute my hair is. Do y'all see the way my girl did my hair? What? Ooh, I'm feeling Puerto Rican. This hair make me feel Puerto Rican. Y'all, please Please look at his hair. This hairstyle is called the mother braids, and I got them in a size medium. So basically it's just knotless braids, it's curls all between the braids, and then they're gonna be curled at the end too. I really love this because it kind of gives like that boho. Look how cute these are. You can do like any style, and I'm just feeling myself. So I still have to get my nails and my toes done and finish packing. When I got back home, I did some more packing, but I haven't put everything in a suitcase. When I get back home later, I'm gonna show y'all the stuff for the sleepover that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that later. But right now, I just ran Angel some bath water. I'm about to give her a bath right now. I'm trying to get a lot done before my nail appointment because later on, I'm not staying home. I'm actually going to my mom's house because she's closer to the airport that I need to go to. So me and Joy is supposed to go to my mom's house later. Smoothie update. I was consistent, y'all, but honestly, like yesterday and the day before yesterday, I wasn't because I'm about to go out of town and I'm not gonna be able to be consistent, but it was okay. I actually seen a major difference with my bloating and I felt better, I felt healthier. So when I get back from this trip, I'm definitely gonna get back on it and just making it a part of my meals, like even if I just have one for breakfast, have one for snacks. On my last vlog, I left the link in my description, so if you read through it, you can actually make it a lifestyle. You don't have to just strictly drink smoothies all day. So if you wanna know more of what I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave the link in this description too. I actually did more smoothies than I thought I was gonna do. Even though I was having a lot of social events to do, I was actually doing pretty good. But right now I'm kind of just like, no, I'm about to eat, I'm about to go out of town. Y'all was really killing me in the comments on my last vlog. Laughing at my mama, that woman is crazy. And I gotta soak off these press-on nails before I go to my appointment. Oh, I'll be spraying all that, messing up my hair. Y'all, Angel be taking showers. Every time I turn my shower on, she go run in the shower. Yesterday when I was done with my towel, I go to the living room and this girl done dragged the towel on the floor rolling on it. Angel really be thinking she human, and that's like part of my fault because I treat her as such and do. Yeah, y'all, I'm ready to go on vacation. I'm gonna be lit. Like, and I'm gonna just be twerking like, I don't care, cause my hair long, like my hair reach my butt, like my hair like my hair long, and like it's gonna be like.
Uno.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall for my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the below at one time? Sit down in a class and we put that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Third for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronics I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're all in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, the just to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that take off the road one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the glory. I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall for my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the below at one time? Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Do us. Do us.
much done packing. I have this big suitcase for one of my carry-ons, and then I have this other duffel bag for my second carry-on. This is where most of the party stuff is. I'll show y'all the party stuff. I was getting my nails done for quite some time, so y'all, it's 11:40, and I wanted to leave and go pick up Joy like at 12, so that's what I'm about to do. But yeah, my nails are done. My toes are just regular French tip. So yeah, let me show y'all this stuff right quick so I can get out of here. So I got this electric balloon inflator because who finna be blowing balloons with their mouth? Not me. I'm definitely gonna have to have help because I think I got these nails too long and I'm not gonna be able to tie no balloons. I have these cute flamingo like inflatable cup holders. So cute. I'm gonna have all this stuff linked too down below. I have the birthday girl pajamas. They're just some pink pajamas and they have feathers on the end. And the top is long sleeve with feathers on the sleeves too. I just really want to put this up because the feathers is going everywhere in here. Then I have Don't Get Drunk Game, metallic kind of balloons. I don't want to take this out, but it's a big flamingo inflatable for the pool. I'm gonna have that link below so y'all can see what I'm talking about. When I seen these cute flamingo cup holders, I was like, this would be so cute. So yeah, I got that. And then everyone else's pajamas are just some regular pink pajamas. Not the button down, it's just like. Then I have some pink shot glasses. I think I told you earlier, the first night we get there, which is tomorrow, it's going to be girls' night, sleepover type of things. I'm going to have to get some more cups and stuff because that's obviously not enough and we need bigger cups. So yeah, this is all the stuff I have right now. I got all these pajamas from Shein. So yeah, that's what the pajamas and stuff we're going to be wearing. When we get there, they're supposed to have a cake for her, like a cute pink heart-shaped cake that says happy birthday Jazz. So hopefully they have that done like they said. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it when we get out there. I need to go to the grocery store and get some other stuff. But yeah, so far so good. I had to take my lashes off at my nail appointment because the eyes was getting heavy. Like, I'm tired, y'all. I've been out all day. Now I just have to put this bag in my suitcase. This is all my makeup and toiletries. I really want some Wingstop, but they about to close in 20 minutes. I'm about to go put this stuff in the car and take my shower. And I'm gonna see y'all probably when I pick Joy up. So I got Joy. We're on the way to my mom's house. This is why I can't fulfill a diet. I'm gonna eat it anyway.
It tastes like chicken. Like they did they like bake this shit in the same place?
When we doing crumble cookie review? Why don't they like chicken?
It tastes like they made it with something else. They was baking all that shit together.
Mine tastes like a cookie. I don't know why it tastes like chicken.
Maybe it's the underlying factors of this. I don't know. This tastes a bit.
You sleepy, huh? Y'all know. Y'all know when people be sleepy, they start talking.
It tastes like a cookie, but it tastes like a under thing. Have y'all? But y'all need to go to McDonald's and try their cookie. Let it sit for a little, and then rewarm it. It's gonna taste like something else. I don't know.
Mine tastes like a cookie.
That shit tastes like some other shit.
What it tastes like? What it tastes like?
I'm trying to put my finger. Hold on. No, this is seriously not funny because now it has like a. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. I already finished the cookie. Don't matter no more.
Tell them that we need some more because you had a piece of hair in your cookie.
Ugh. Don't tell me that. Oh, to lie to them. I'm like, they gonna be like, where the cookie?
Let's see how far we are from my mom.
Ooh, should I go get that Kayor shit, T?
No, you gonna be shitting.
Like, I dead ass worked out today.
But you just had the cookie, so what was the point?
I mean, I had like 2 plates of rice here.
Yeah, and you have rice.
I ain't do shit. My mom told me I gained weight today. I was like, damn. You too.
We got our hair done from the motherland. Y'all know what I said.
You know what I'm saying? Motherland Beauty Plaza. Go ahead and book that.
Nails is done. That's all we need. Like, we ain't even got to do the most.
I need it now. Put respect on my shit.
Yeah.
Keys from that nigga like he a felon, beat it like oh. Now he's saying I'm a dick.
Hey y'all, we at the airport. We're gonna turn up. But y'all, right now we looking for something to eat. And it's nothing really open, so.
This is my second time in this goddamn airport in the last couple weeks, so.
Yeah, she just got back from Dubai. She rich. She too rich for me, y'all. I got on my little Skims dupe or whatever from Pretty Little Thing. Some shorts.
See, there we go.
Tennis shoes. What you got on?
I got the motherfucking crazy boy scene.
I got this little
and then
The
and then these little like paradise pants.
I got the sheens. You got the feezies? Those feezies? I'm ready to take a mimosa.
Mimosas?
Yeah. We ready to take some mimosa. They finna text. I had to put some lip gloss on because I know y'all probably like her lips.
You know what? But we finna get a mimosa. We finna start early. And the other girls were meeting there. Like Jazz, the birthday girl, she lives here, but her flight is later. And then I think the other girls are from somewhere else. So.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Look,